got a target that will come towards you at one speed or another. And it starts at approximately the Tueller distance, which is the standard for police shootings. You can open fire on somebody if they're crossing the street with their little pocket knife, and he's within 21 feet. He can get you before you can get your gun. There's been lots of tests of that. So this will move a target from 21 feet closer to you. And I think the idea would be, in this case, you can shoot the target if it's moving, and do 2 to the chest and 1 to the head. Understand the drill?
Low ready or back in the holster?
No. From here, you can probably do back in the holster, but I'm just going to go slow to start. Let's try that.
If it's moving, shoot it. If it's not moving, don't.
Right.
Got it.
Got it? It's moving, shoot it. It's not stop.
Pardon me? 2 to the chest, 1 to the chest.
Oh, okay.
Load and make ready.
Okay.
That means insert the magazine, chamber around, return it to the holster. Back to the holster. There you go.
Okay. Everybody understands the drill?
Are you safe, Dan? All right.
You start slow. It's moving, shoot it. Unload and show clear.